All right, let's dive into this wild setup for underwater laser communication.
So how do you do it? It's a huge challenge for sending data through our oceans.
See, even the slightest movement can break the connection, and just like that, you lose data.
This happens when the transmitter or receiver moves, kind of like a buoy on a wavy sea.
To beat this, researchers built a system to simulate and solve this exact problem. Let's break it down.
So, let's follow the signal through these three main stages.
Okay, first up, the sender. The signal isn't just raw data, it's a specially designed package.
Now, what's really cool here is the pilot signal. That's the secret sauce for aiming.
Yeah, it's basically a tracking beacon. It tells the receiver exactly where the laser is pointing.
So this whole package modulates a laser. Poof, electronic data becomes a beam of light.
All right, now the signal's ready, but it has to get through the channel, the obstacle course.
So the researchers tested two paths, a simple one through the air and a tricky underwater one. And check this out, they basically created a mini ocean with a heated water tank to stir up turbulence. But turbulence is only half of it. To simulate movement, they introduce an intentional disruption.
They use this thing, a fast steering mirror. It's programmed to actively wiggle the laser beam.
And get this, it can shift the beam's position by over 9 centimeters. That's a huge miss. So they tested the system's tracking ability at 3 different speeds.
So, turbulent wiggling laser beam, how in the world do you catch it? Well, here comes the hero.
It's a self-aiming receiver. It doesn't just wait around, it actively hunts for that beam.
It's a constant loop, Detect, calculate, command, and recenter to stay locked onto the signal.
And it has the super precise hardware to make these tiny, accurate adjustments.
The goal here is perfect alignment. That's how it can catch that speedy 28.7 megabits per second data stream.
Okay, so what's the big deal? Well, this is a huge step toward a real underwater internet.
Think about it. Stable, high-speed links for robots and sensors exploring deep oceans.
This research helps make that a reality. So it leaves you wondering, right? What could we find down there?